Today we're going to talk about making money fun. The first step in financial wellness is making sure that you aren't in avoidance or resistance or having sticky thoughts about money. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that it is something you actually look forward to when you are implementing. Okay, so what I want you to start implementing this month is financial CEO parties. This is a one time a month money date where you sit down with your bank accounts, with your numbers, with everything that's going on in your finances, and you are going to have a party. What do I mean by that? That means you are not at your work desk. That means that you are somewhere where your nervous system feels excited and calm, whether that's a coffee shop or a hotel lobby bar, as long as you have secure Wi-Fi. You're in the bathtub, you are on your balcony, right, when it gets warm out, and you are giving yourself things to look forward to. So pour yourself a glass of wine, make yourself a fun cocktail, get your favorite latte, tell yourself you're gonna get takeout afterwards, put on your favorite music. Make this a moment that feels different than the humdrum like work life. We wanna pull money into a date setting rather than just another thing you wanna check off on your to-do list. So when I say financial CEO party, I want you to be thinking about what would make me look forward to managing my money. Not just the shoulds, not just because it's responsible. What would make me actually excited to do that every single month? Brainstorm, implement it this month, and start experimenting.